Open Camtasia and import your video by either clicking on Import Media or dragging and dropping your video into the editor. Once your video is imported, feel free to make any edits you desire. Trim, add effects, or adjust the audio to your liking. When you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to export. Click on the Share button or press Ctrl+P. Choose Local File as your export option. You'll be prompted with the Production Wizard window. Select Custom Production Settings from the drop-down menu and click Next. In the subsequent window, choose GIF as your format and click Next. Adjust the settings as needed. You can modify the frame rate and other parameters. Click Next when ready. Resize your video if necessary, and click Next. If you want to include a watermark or logo, you can do so by selecting the Include Watermark option. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. Add a title and choose its location on your computer. Then, click Finish. Your GIF will begin rendering. Once the process is complete, your GIF will be ready for use. By following these steps, you can effortlessly convert your video into a GIF using Camtasia, giving you the flexibility to share your content in a fun and engaging format.